Hey all, Russ here. Good morning. Welcome to RVerTV. We're in the van cave. Yay. And I still got a cold. Well, nothing fell off overnight. I just kept going last night. I couldn't stop. Glad I did. It's pretty much, except for the ceiling, pretty much done. Today, roof rails. These are the roof rails that will go up top. There's already holes. These are already pre-drilled and pre-designed to fit this Sprinter right here. With this thing, I've been asked a question. It's a 170 extended, 3/4 ton. In case I didn't put it in the other videos, but it has the extended, like an extra almost 2 feet over the standard 170. Anyway, the roof rails are gonna go up here. Climb up the ladder. I guess these things here are glued in. That's the holes. I need to pull them out on both sides. So we're gonna get going on that in just a minute. Okay, I had the laptop set up here. I posted a soundproofing video this morning. You can see today is Wednesday. Let's check comments. Maybe I can answer a couple right here. Okay, here's a video. This is the one about soundproofing. Kent, he wrote, "Looking good, Russ. Like you said, time consuming." Let's see. Thank you, Kent. Walter Childra, "You must do the ceiling too." I am. Like I said in the video, it's not completely done. I still have to cut in the roof vents yet. Otto Pops, he's been a subscriber a long time. Thank you, Otto. Ken says, "Looking professional. Good luck in the cold." With the cold, yeah. Terry says, "Slow and steady." Steve Romo, "Great job, Russ." Carol, "Good morning. Have a Class B. Have noticed lots of cold. Put some insulate there." Yeah, I really can't. That's all pre-done by factory. This thing's too new. I'm sure it's up there okay, but this is a 2019. Harold says, "Get her done." Tom says, "Spray on insulation under the floorboards." Yeah, we'll wait and see on that, but right now it's gonna kind of be left as is. I did pull that front floorboard, and those things are tight. They're factory installed. Anything I do under there would really goof up the level, and I'm not going to get into that this year. But once again, like I said in the previous video, this is a insulated factory carpet meant for this Sprinter. And it's going to go right over top of this and be secured down later. Well, that's after the build gets going, and we'll go and call that good. All right, well, there's the comments. Hope I answered them. We got over 1,000 views, less than a couple hours. Thank you. All right, let me get set up here and see what we can do to get these rails installed. All right, I'll be back. Okay, here they are. Supposed to be 3 pieces for each side. Oh good, they already come with butyl. I have a roll already. Look at this stuff. Cool. All right, let me get them unbundled. All right, there we are. Hey, instructions. Cool. Alrighty, well, let me get this laid out. Plus, I gotta get those plugs. You see them up there? We gotta get all those plugs out. One of the videos I seen, they recommended a heat gun, which I have one. So, anyway, we'll find out. All right, be back. Okay. Came with destructions, CBD. There's 3 sizes, short, medium, and long. Got these little guys here. I'm gonna pre-install them before I go up on the roof. And I'm using a drill and an Allen to tighten them up. Here, I'll show you. Well, here we go. They sent me the wrong rail. Right on there it says for Sprinter, but check it out. Not a single hole lines up. Look at that. See, if you started the first one there, nothing there, nothing there. All the way down, I just had it laid out. I'm boxing it back up. Dag nabbit. Without them rails, I can't install the solar. This is the very first thing. Oh well. Anyway, I called the company. I'm waiting for the return department to call me. I ordered it from Leonard Accessories. They sell a bunch of Sprinter stuff. Okay, to be continued. Okay, latest update on the roof rails. Not a single phone call back from these jokers. Been waiting almost 3 hours now. I mean, I guess I could drill every single hole. I don't have to drill in the van. I have to re-drill every one of those out. And those are tapped. I don't have a tap, which I could probably get around that too. But son of a gun, I mean, what a chore. These things were supposed to have lined up. I ordered them from Leonard Accessories in North Carolina. Be careful who you deal with. And these are Vantech, V-A-N-Tech. Hang on, I'll show you. Vantech. Right down there it says System A297-170 tracks, Sprinter 207 and on. Should be cut and dry. Slide them together, put the screw in, pop them in the hole. And not a single hole. I mean, one hole will line up wherever I start. So I'm going to give it a little more time. I'll give them another hour. But gosh darn, I hate to tie this thing up. And these roof rails are important because it's solar, everything. The layout of the vents, all this. Them things got to go on there. One way or the other. All right, well, we'll see what happens. I'll be back. Okay. The saga continues. I gave up. I'll show you. All right. There's the factory holes. I went ahead and pulled a plug. I got the heat gun here. You barely heat it. You gotta be careful. You can ruin your paint with a heat gun. So basically what I gotta do, right there, that's about lined up. I'm gonna have to drill one. I have to drill pretty much every one. There's our holes. That's where it lines up. So what I'm going to do, I'll do one rail at a time before I put it all together. I'll drill the holes, put the bolt in, just set it in there loosely, and then snug them up once I get them all together. What a pain, what a pain. But I can't get an answer out of Leonard Accessories, and I called Vantech, and this is the only model or kit they have for the sprinters. And the guy said kind of too bad, too sad. So don't buy Vantech and whatever. Anyway, I'll just get it done. That's the bottom line. Get it done, then we can move on. All right? I'll show you in a sec how it is. I can probably do it one-handed. So hang on, let me get set up. Okay, here we go. Heat gun on low. Don't get it too close. You can make that paint bubble in a second. I used to be a detailer, I know. Just get it loose a little bit. Doesn't take much heat. And find my pliers. Whoops, it's okay. There you go. All removed. I'll clean that up a little bit. I'll take a razor blade to it before I set it. Anyway, that's what I gotta do. I gotta remove all the plugs. I'm gonna do that real fast. And then get the plugs out. Then we'll go from there. Okay, there we go. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes I have to drill in this piece. And see that bolt right there, that was in the factory one. So if I set it in there, well, let's see what I can do. Let's go underneath. Take our trusty pin. Okay, here's our holes. There's the rail. Alrighty, well, let's see. See if I can do this one-handed. Okay, there's my marks. At least I got this center line here. So I'll stay on center. Let me drill them out and see if this works. All right, good luck. Okay, they're drilled. Yay, it fits. Okay, I'll show you from the inside real quick. They all fit. I gotta put the butyl under there and all that. I gotta pull it back up. The bolts are in it. Let's go look on the inside. There they are. Okay. Well, good deal. Son of a gun. Did not want to get into all this, but I have no choice. So if I do anything, I'm gonna do them all, get it in there real loose, then I'll put it together. All right, shall we turn? Okay, what a chore. See the bolt sticking through? I basically had to re-drill that whole rail. I have to raise it back up, put the butyl, and we can tie this one down. Well, my goodness, there you go. One done. Literally, of course, I had a few hours of phone calls. Literally took all day to just do one side. I'm wore out. I probably won't get to the other one until tomorrow. Still got this cold. That puppy's on there though, sealed underneath. I can put a little dab of that self-leveling caulk on each screw head there too. And call it good. All right. Okay, so in closing, goodness gravy. Vantech Sprinter rail. According to them, it's designed for 2007 through 19s and 20s, but they don't fit right. The holes don't line up. If you buy one of these Vantechs, beware. You're going to be going through all this. And I thought about it. I could have returned it and probably went with another brand, all that. But then I'm out a couple weeks. And this is critical to have this on so I can start getting the solar panels up. I mean, the roof vents cut. It all boiled down to having these rails here. Oh well, I ain't gonna complain. It is what it is. We'll get the other one up. Okay. From the Van Cave, this is Russ. Talk soon.